Hi everyone. At the dawn of the 20th century, moments like this were far more than simple sport. You are watching a boat race, but for US Navy sailors of the 1900s, these races were a way of life. 8 oar-pulling boats, each guided by a coxswain at the stern, surge forward at the signal. Every stroke matters. Strength, rhythm, discipline, the same qualities demanded at sea, are tested here, in full view of fellow sailors and officers. Such competitions were extremely popular in the US Navy. Rowing races were held regularly at naval stations, training grounds, and fleet gatherings. They built teamwork, sharpened physical endurance, and fostered pride between crews and ships. Winning was not just personal, it reflected the reputation of an entire vessel. As the boats approached their destination, a powerful symbol of American naval might comes into view, the battleship USS Indiana, riding calmly at anchor beneath the stars and stripes. This scene captures a forgotten rhythm of naval life, where competition, tradition, and seamanship met on the water long before engines replaced oars. A small race, perhaps, but a big part of what shaped the sailors of a rising naval power. Thanks for watching.